Hi, everyone. My name is Alex, and I'm with Wide Awake Travels. My family and I have been converting a school bus into an RV. One of the things that I had to do is occasionally change some of the parts on the bus, like engine or electrical, mechanical parts. One time I had to replace a exhaust hanger that rusted. And the problem I had was not being able to find the part number I need for this specific vehicle that I have, which is a 2002 International 3000. It's a flat nose front engine bus. But even that model itself, the model 3000, 3000 IC, it doesn't give you enough information to find some of the parts that you need, because there's multiple options. So the only option I had was to call a dealer and give him the VIN, and then they would tell me the part number, the exact part number for that vehicle. And I recently found a great way to find exact part numbers by VIN for your vehicle that's made by International / Navistar online from the comfort of your home without having to call anybody, just on the internet for free. And I wanted to share that information with you because I know, at least in the schoolie community, not many people know about this website that I'm going to show you. So as I mentioned, this will work for any International school bus, dump truck, any other vehicle that's made by International. You just need your VIN number. And you need to go to this website called repairlinkshop.com. I saved it here in my bookmark. So once you go there, you're going to click on this link, Shops Register Now. And you can put a company name. You can put whatever you want there. I chose other for the company type and filled out all this information, street, address, password, username, name, all that, accept the terms. And over here, I chose International IC Bus, okay, instead of automotive, because you can switch to this later, but I'm really focused on International now. But this will give you options for your car, like Toyota or, like any Mazda, Volvo. You'll be able to find part numbers by VIN for those vehicles as well. But I chose International because that's what I really need now. Once you complete the registration and you log back in, first time you log in, it's going to come up to this page pop up. And I chose set up repair link for International IC bus parts. And it kind of has this guided tour to tell you to add a dealer, because you need to add at least one dealer to be able to search for parts by your VIN. So it takes you automatically to this My Dealers, Add Dealer, chooses for you filters, and then kind of tells you, okay, it found 3 that are 50 miles from you. You can change that to 250. You got to make sure you choose select OEM International IC bus and a state. For example, I'm going to put North Carolina. So I'll find anybody within 250 miles of state North Carolina. And here it is, right? And you can go in, and what you need to do is you need to find one of these dealers, choose one of these dealers. For example, this one, and you click Add Selected Dealers. And it's going to say up here, selected dealers have been added. Sometimes it errors out because this website is a little buggy. It gave me like an internal system error or something like that previously. So I kind of left, log out, log back in, and chose a different dealer. And you just got to play around till you get the right dealer. And once you have at least one, you can always go to My Dealer list, and you see a list of all your dealers that you added. So once that is done, when you have at least one dealer, you can go and click on Begin Part Search here. Make sure it's selected to International instead of automotive. Click on Begin Part Search here, and this is where we come. If it's not already selected for you, you gotta choose a dealer here on that you added, right? I'm gonna choose Rush Truck Center, for example. It switches to that dealer. Now, this is the section that we need to focus on. Cart name. Cart name, you can put whatever you want. it's the VIN that's important, right? So I'm gonna get the VIN for my school bus. I'm gonna put it in there and I click open catalog, and that opens the OnCommand parts catalog by International. This is great, and this is all free. Very useful. So let's wait for that to load here. And once it loads, it gets you to this most popular tab that doesn't list all the part numbers, only the stuff that is commonly replaced, like oil filters and serpentine belt and stuff like that, right? Different belts and stuff, fans. So if you want more, and on the left side, it gives you information about your vehicle, right? Horsepower, VIN, when it was made, when engine was made, wheelbase, dimensions of the frame and stuff like that, right? Torque. And if you want to search to give a more detailed list of part numbers, you click on the detail list, obviously self-explanatory. And here you have all this stuff. You have random stuff, like small things like the bus installation structure, decals, door hardware, like really stuff that you would never know the part number of. Emergency door glass, entrance door glass, controls. And when you click on it, it actually shows you here a diagram, right? Shows you where everything is. And here is where it shows the part numbers, right? Different part numbers. Let's say, for example, let's look at engine stuff, accelerator pedal. And here it is. And there's the part number. If you click on it, if it allows you to click on it, this can break it down even to small things like washers and seals. And it's really gives you all the parts you need. This is really useful. There is another great thing is that you can actually find out what transmission this vehicle has based on the VIN number, right? If somebody just gives you the VIN and they don't know what transmission it has, you can come here and you can expand the transmission. And here I see Allison MD3060. And here it tells you that, item number 5 here, and it says Allison MD3060. Anyway, so I want to share this with you because it's very helpful for me. And I know at least in the schooling community, not many people know about this website, repairlinkshop.com. So let me know what you think about this. Share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will be posting more videos about the build of the schoolie when he gets back from the mechanic shop.